Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Overland in diamond black crystal pearl. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7417.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.